So my plan is, I'm going to use this old leather from the original straps, the original shoulder straps for the knapsack, the external frame knapsack, which I restored. Because the leather is actually in okay condition, and it's long enough to do what I want to do, which is to be able to wrap around the sleeping bag and tension up again. So I'm going to use this leather, I'm going to repurpose it. So I had planned to use these old straps from the rucksack, but now, after conditioning them and thinking about how I'm going to put the strap around the cover, I think I won't use this. Instead, I think I'll use this leather, which is about the right length, and it's newer, stronger, and might look actually a bit better. And because it's half the size, therefore it's a little bit lighter. So after all that work, and using a lot of cream, I'm going to do it this way instead. So here is the roll with the sleeping bag inside it, and just a quick demonstration. I'm not going to use these in reality, but just to show you how it works. Put these on. I'm going to devise a different system, maybe with rope, and it simply attaches up here. And there we go, a sort of traditional system of storing a sleeping bag. Has the look, has the charm. It's fait maison, homemade. There's only one way you can do these things, and it's doing it the proper way. No synthetic crap. Just the good old canvas, leather, brass buckles, rope, all sorts of nice. But this is going to be my home for a long time.